Right Honourable Speaker and members, in 1978, when in exile in Nairobi, Honourable Dr. Sarah Ntiro did not stop her advocacy for education. She established an education consultancy of higher education for African refugees, family planning, associations of university women, and many others. Honorable Dr. Sarah Ntiro has left a commendable track record and illustrious career and service. For instance, there is the Ntiro Girls Vocational Secondary School in Hoima, which is a government-aided effort.
Found nothing strange about sending their child to school. In 1945, Makerere College admitted its first female students, and she was among them. And I remember where she testified to us that she was not allowed to be in mathematics classroom. That was very unfortunate. In 1951, she joined Oxford University and graduated with a bachelor's degree in history in 1954. She became East Africa's first female graduate. Right Honorable Speaker, she served in the Uganda Legislative Council from 1958 to 1961, where she tabled a private member's bill on the registration of marriages in 1961.
Has been paid to Dr. Ntiro. I've been really troubled that woman of such distinction could not be honored. So I'm really grateful to the Prime Minister that he finally brought the motion to honor this woman of distinction. Then thirdly, at a personal level, I first heard about Sarah Nyendoha then in 1966. One of my uncles, Mr. Gideon Eva Ndavyandara, was her classmate. So during the state of emergency in 1966, he had come to Kampala, but I think 6 o'clock found him still in Kampala. He could not travel to Uganda. So he came to our house in Naguru and was talking about his classmates and mentioned Sarah Nyendoha. That's the first time I heard about her. And I'm happy to have known her in real life. She has been an inspiration to all of us. I therefore put the question, that the question be put. Those in favor say aye, the contrary no. Let's have it. Put the question that this House to pay tribute as proposed by the Prime Minister. Those in favor say aye, the contrary no.